Welcome to Cookings with MurfsWorld. Today I'm going to show you how to make McDonald's McRib replica at home with only 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients only. I've seen videos where there's 5 ingredients, but I haven't seen it with 3. So let me show you how. It's very simple to do at home, doesn't take long, and it's very similar, well, as close as you can get at home if you ask me. So the McRib. What is a McRib? McDonald's released the McRib in 1981 in the US of A. It's gone around the world. Some countries kept it as a permanent burger. I believe Germany may have, and Luxembourg. I'm not 100% sure of that. In the UK here, it got taken from menu. It's just seasonal. So it's sort of one of their specialty burgers. So someone like me who really likes them, I'm always thinking, how can I actually get that lovely flavour at home? You know, why I have to wait until McDonald's decide to sell them. I wish they sold them all year round because I love them. So that's how I came up with this little recipe for you. So I hope they enjoy it and I hope that satisfies your McRib taste. So you need 3 ingredients to create this dish. An onion, some gherkins, and the secret ingredient, which I'll reveal towards the end of the video. So to start off, we're just going to chop a white onion, a standard white onion that I purchased from a local supermarché. This one's actually a Waitrose or onion, so it's probably a little bit better than you're buying at home, but hey, I don't judge, you're not all famous. So let's start off by chopping this into little pieces as I'll demonstrate below. And remember, when chopping onions, try not to cry because it shows weakness. So when I chop onions, I like to cut them in half, peel off the skin, and then slice into quarters, and then into little teeny bits, just like so. So once you've prepared your onion, stick them in a bowl for later. And if you're vegan or care about the environment, stick these little fellas in one of those little green bins so they can go into the waste pile and turn into lovely new fruit and vegetables. So next we need to sort out our gherkins, or pickles as you call it in the US of A. And once again, I've actually bought an M&S gherkins because that's all I could actually get. Usually I go to the pound shop where you get some good deals. And these aren't the biggest gherkins, but these are perfect for the little burgers that we're going to make today. So you only need probably 1 of these actually, and you only need about 3 slices of pickle, but you can add more if you want. And as I always tell people, it's not the size of the pickle, it's the flavour. So don't forget that. So what we're going to do now is just slice these like so. It's about ½ centimetre thick. You know, if you've had one before, you'll know roughly the size of what a McDonald's gherkin is like. Unfortunately, the McDonald's gherkins can't get anything as good as them at home. So you probably need about 3 or 4 per McRib. Oh, that is good. Oh, I might have to chop another one actually. I love gherkins. Oh, it's so vinegary. So once the gherkins done, put them on a little plate like that, just save them for later. Now that's pretty much most of the prep done. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. A Rustler's barbecue flame grilled rib. Now I know you're thinking, oh, it's a bit of a cheat. Yeah, it is, but it's the closest thing I can get at home to tasting like a McRib. Just trust me, try this and see what you think. Let me know below if you have tried this and what you think, if this is a good recipe or not. Also, let me know if you think the McRib is the best burger they don't do anymore. If not, what do you think? Please put in the comments below. So this is what it looks like. You get the bun, and you get the meat, and you get a little barbecue sauce. And then with the buns, the secret is put it in a toaster and put it in for a couple of minutes, and hopefully it will come out just like the real thing. So next, you can put it in the microwave. It only takes about 1 minute 25 seconds in an 800-watt microwave, like so. And during that 1 minute 25, you can check your emails, make a cup of tea, or make love to your ex-wife like I used to do, until I found out she was a dirty, cheating tramp. Now the buns here, pop them in the toaster, like so. They only need probably about 30 seconds to a minute, and then they'll be perfect. Okay, so now we have our pate, we have our slightly toasted bun, we've got our onions, we've got our pickles, and we got our barbecue sauce that came with it. Now when opening the barbecue sauce, don't just bite it off because your chef could have herpes. So you do not want a herpes burger, it will ruin the flavour and give you a really bad rash around your lips after, so be careful. Okay, so put the bottom bun, put the pate, so you see that nicely grilled. Then put the sauce lashings of sauce. Oh, the only thing is with this recipe, you may want to add a bit more barbecue sauce if this isn't quite enough, because I know the McRib is quite saucy. Let's get a little spoon, smear that all over. Lovely. Then put your pickles, about 3 of them. Did 4 in this one. Your raw onion. Lovely. That's quite oniony. Put those up. And there you have it. A McRib at home in 3 ingredients, as promised. Let's try this. So here I have it, McRib at home with only 3 ingredients. Oh. Wow, spot on. Perfect. Subscribe below guys, click notifications for more videos. There'll be other cooking videos, little cheats like this. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to enter my competition as well for a free mystery box. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Namaste.